It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday afternoon, the 10th of February. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather mostly dry through the weekend. The next event will be Monday. The question is, could we see a little winter mischief early Monday morning? Let's dive in and talk about it. There's the upper air pattern across the country today. Big trough over the eastern U.S. We do note a little clipper coming down the backside of the trough, pushing some clouds down into the Tennessee Valley of extreme North Alabama, and we actually have a bit of light snow showing up on radar in the broad area between Dixon, Tennessee, and Athens, Alabama, but most of that is not reaching the ground. If you check the surface reports, there are no reports in there, so I think most everybody stays dry tonight. Maybe a flurry somewhere over the Tennessee Valley, but that's about it. Pretty chilly today. Huntsville 35, the same for Cullman, 40 for Birmingham and Anniston, Tuscaloosa 43. We go back in the 50s tomorrow. And by golly, on Friday, we might see 60, and that'll feel pretty good. But again, for today, the east is pretty cold. Temperatures at midday only around 0 over parts of northern Minnesota. Winter weather advisories northeast of Alabama from the northeastern corner of Tennessee around Bristol up through parts of West Virginia and Pennsylvania. This is the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Monday evening of next week, and this is suggesting rain amounts of about a ½ inch, and that will be with a wave coming in here Monday. And again, we'll take a look at modeling and see how it handles Monday morning. So here we go. Model fans, the GFS, this is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 12 noon. The trough is lifting out over the eastern U.S. That's the one that brought the chilly air, so tomorrow should be a dry day and a warmer day. We'll call it partly sunny with a high in the mid-50s. And Friday, the next surge of cold air not here yet. So the numbers are coming up. Both the NAM and the GFS are suggesting a high around 60 on Friday. We'll take that. That'll feel pretty good. Partly sunny. But Saturday, a 1044 millibar high nosing in from the north. Saturday will be noticeably colder. The sky's sunny with a high only around 40. That'll be a 20-degree drop from Friday. Sunday, we start the day in the low 20s, but we should start to warm up. We'll be close to 50 by Sunday afternoon. The model's coming in a bit warmer. Here's a look at the anomalies. Very cold for Sunday, Valentine's Day for the Northeast United States. All right, let's check out Monday morning. This is 6 o'clock, and again, the GFS is trending warmer. This is suggesting maybe a wintry mix for the northeastern corner of the state, but for most everybody, just a cold rain falling. And again, we'll have to watch North Georgia. They got the wedge over there. Places like Atlanta might have freezing rain and ice, and maybe some snow for North Georgia. Then at noon on Monday, icing continues for northeast Georgia, but for us, just a cold, rainy day with temperatures in the 40s. So this run looks like mostly rain, and the European here is slower. It's suggesting the rain maybe comes in later, Monday afternoon or Monday night, and again, it would be mainly in the form of rain. And this is the snow output coming from the European, valid Tuesday evening, and it's got big numbers near the Ohio River, but just nothing down here. So again, for the moment, it looks like the odds of icy travel early Monday for Alabama are looking small, although North Georgia could see some problems. Tuesday, that wave is on by. We're dry. We'll be up in the 50s. And this is a week from today. The trough lifting out, and by golly, should be a nice day. Mostly sunny, and a good chance we rise up into the low 60s as the warming trend we've talked about kicks in. This is the end of the forecast period, Saturday the 20th. And look at the ridge, a 588 ridge building in from the Gulf. Hey, that looks nice and warm. And if that's right, we might be pushing 70 on that day, on Saturday the 20th, and that looks dry. Arctic oscillation goes positive in 8 days or so. Same thing for the NAO. And again, that should allow for a warming trend. You could see those numbers responding nicely. A lot of 60s on the board late this month. But I caution you, we can have some pretty significant cold snaps here in March and April. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you can, catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.